Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of crypto earnings with Gemini, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchange platforms. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, we've got you covered with 7 powerful strategies to maximize your profits and make the most of your crypto holdings. From trading tips to passive income opportunities and more, stay tuned to discover how you can turn Gemini into your ultimate crypto earnings hub. Gemini, a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform, empowers users to buy, sell, and store digital assets. But beyond basic transactions, Gemini offers a robust ecosystem for earning on your crypto holdings. Here's a deep dive into 7 strategies to turn Gemini into your crypto earnings hub. Number 1. Trading, the core engine of crypto profits. Gemini offers various trading methods to cater to both novice and experienced cryptocurrency traders. Spot trading is the most common method, allowing users to buy assets like Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum, ETH, at a lower price and sell them for a profit later. Gemini's user-friendly interface, complete with charting tools, helps users analyze price movements and make informed decisions. For more seasoned traders, active trading options are available, featuring advanced order types such as stop-loss and take-profit orders. These tools enable automated execution based on predefined price thresholds, allowing traders to capitalize on market volatility. For those with a high-risk tolerance and a deep understanding of the market, margin trading is an option. This method involves borrowing funds from Gemini to amplify buying power, which can potentially lead to higher profits, but also magnifies losses. The high-risk nature of margin trading means it should only be undertaken by those who are well-versed in market dynamics and comfortable with the associated risks. Each of these trading methods on Gemini is designed to suit different levels of expertise and risk tolerance, ensuring that users have the tools they need to pursue their trading strategies effectively. Number 2. Gemini Earn, passive income on your crypto. Gemini Earn provides a convenient way to grow your crypto holdings passively by allowing you to deposit your assets and earn interest paid out daily. Supported coins include popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, as well as stablecoins such as USD Coin, USDC, providing a range of options to suit different preferences and risk appetites. Interest rates on Gemini Earn vary based on the specific cryptocurrency and the amount deposited, with stablecoins typically offering the highest rates due to their lower volatility. This makes them an attractive option for those looking for more predictable returns. Additionally, Gemini Earn offers flexibility in terms of withdrawal options. You can choose flexible terms that allow you to withdraw your crypto at any time, offering convenience and liquidity. Alternatively, fixed terms are available, offering higher interest rates in exchange for locking in your deposits for a specified period. This variety of options allows users to tailor their earning strategy to their individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Whether you prefer the flexibility of easy access to your funds or the higher returns of fixed terms, Gemini Earn provides a versatile solution for enhancing your crypto portfolio without the need for active trading. Number 3. Gemini Credit Card. Earn crypto rewards on everyday spending. The Gemini Credit Card allows you to seamlessly integrate cryptocurrency rewards into your everyday spending. With every purchase, you can earn rewards in your preferred cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin or other supported options, making it easy to accumulate crypto holdings effortlessly. Gemini offers competitive rewards rates compared to traditional credit cards, ensuring you get more value from your regular purchases. Additionally, the Gemini Credit Card provides extra benefits beyond crypto rewards, such as cashback on gas stations and groceries, adding even more value to your everyday spending. This combination of high rewards rates and practical benefits makes the Gemini Credit Card an attractive option for those looking to incorporate crypto into their financial routine while maximizing the benefits of their everyday expenditures. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Spread the word, earn rewards. Gemini's referral program provides an excellent opportunity to earn rewards by introducing friends and family to the platform. By sharing your unique referral link, you and the new users can receive bonus crypto when they sign up and begin trading. This incentivizes you to promote Gemini, helping to expand its user base while benefiting both parties with additional crypto assets. For those with a more advanced understanding of cryptocurrency and an established online presence, Gemini offers further opportunities through content creation. If you run a blog or have a significant following on social media, you can create content that promotes Gemini, integrating affiliate links to earn commissions from new signups. Alternatively, you can partner directly with Gemini for sponsored content, provided you have a dedicated audience and a solid grasp of the cryptocurrency market. This approach not only helps to educate your audience about the benefits of using Gemini, but also leverages your influence to drive engagement and adoption. Whether through the referral program or content creation, these strategies enable you to support the growth of the Gemini community, while enhancing your own crypto portfolio through the rewards offered by the platform. Number 5. Staking. Earn rewards for network security. Certain cryptocurrencies on Gemini utilize a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, allowing users to stake their crypto to contribute to the security and efficiency of the blockchain network while earning rewards. By staking your crypto on Gemini, you actively participate in the validation process of transactions, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity and functionality of the network. Currently, not all cryptocurrencies on Gemini offer staking options. However, select coins such as Polkadot, DOT, and Cosmos Atom are supported. Before committing your assets, it is essential to research the specific coins available for staking on Gemini and understand the potential rewards associated with them. Each coin may have different staking rewards and conditions, so being informed is key to maximizing your returns. Additionally, some cryptocurrencies might have minimum stake requirements, meaning you need to stake a certain amount of coins to be eligible for staking rewards. Checking these requirements beforehand ensures that you meet the criteria and can effectively participate in staking. By staking your crypto on Gemini, you not only earn passive rewards but also play a vital role in the blockchain ecosystem, supporting its security and stability while potentially increasing the value of your holdings through earned rewards. Number 6. Leverage DeFi through Gemini. Gemini has recently ventured into the realm of decentralized finance, DeFi, with a pilot program that allows users to access select DeFi protocols directly from the platform. DeFi provides various opportunities to earn interest on your crypto assets through mechanisms such as lending and liquidity pools. These decentralized applications can potentially offer higher returns compared to traditional Gemini earn options, making them attractive to those looking for greater profits. However, with the promise of higher returns comes increased complexity and heightened risks. DeFi protocols can be susceptible to scams, hacking incidents, or smart contract vulnerabilities, which require users to have a good understanding of the technology and the inherent risks. Currently, access to DeFi through Gemini is limited as the program is still in its pilot phase, available to a select group of users. While the scope of this offering is expected to expand in the future, it's crucial for users to stay informed about the availability and fully understand the risks involved before participating. By exploring DeFi options on Gemini, users can diversify their strategies and potentially enhance their earnings, but they should proceed with caution and due diligence, given the higher risk profile associated with these decentralized financial instruments. Number 7. Stay informed with Gemini's resources. Gemini provides a comprehensive learning center filled with educational articles, videos, and webinars designed to help users understand cryptocurrencies, trading strategies, and earning opportunities. This resource-rich platform ensures that both beginners and experienced traders can enhance their knowledge and stay informed about the latest market trends. By utilizing these educational materials and keeping up with the current news and insights offered by Gemini, users can make more informed decisions. This proactive approach to staying educated and aware of market movements can potentially maximize your earnings potential and help you navigate the dynamic world of cryptocurrency with greater confidence and effectiveness. Gemini's commitment to education empowers users to stay ahead of the curve and make strategic investments. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these 7 strategies to leverage Gemini for crypto-fueled earnings helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more crypto insights, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest content. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy trading and stay crypto savvy.